In 1990, two men pulled off the greatest art heist in history by simply knocking on the door. The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston was home to priceless masterpieces: Vermeer, Rembrandt, $500 million worth of art. At 1:13 in the morning, two men dressed as Boston police officers rang the security buzzer. "We're responding to a disturbance call." The night guards let them right in. Within minutes, the fake cops had the guards handcuffed in the basement. For the next 81 minutes, they methodically looted the museum. They cut paintings directly from their frames, left others completely untouched, destroyed the security cameras. 13 priceless works of art vanished. The FBI launched one of the longest investigations in history. $10 million reward, thousands of tips, links to organised crime and international dealers. Over 30 years later, not a single piece has been recovered. The empty frames still hang on the museum walls today, a haunting reminder of the night two strangers walked in and walked out with history.